In this short demo, we'll explain how allocated batch picking works hand in hand with the Warehouse Management app and Unleashed. When specific batches have been allocated to your sales order in Unleashed, the Warehouse Management app guides you through picking those exact items. Place your sales order and the product is now ready to be picked. In the picking page, click on the sales order to review the order details. When you're ready, tap the Start Pick button. You will be guided through each item, starting with the first product on your list. On this screen, you'll see the batches you're required to pick based on the allocation in Unleashed. Each batch shows clearly with all the details you need. Scan your product barcode to verify your product. To pick, simply increment the quantity using the plus button. For larger quantities, tap on the input field itself. Your keypad appears, letting you type the exact number directly. Much faster when you're picking in bulk. Your order is now picked. Tap Mark as Dispatched to confirm this order is ready to leave your warehouse. This action tells Unleashed that the order has been dispatched and the sales order will automatically be marked as completed. And that's allocated batch picking. Thanks for watching.